Hello my dear students, I hope you all are doing good. So students, today we'll discuss about chapter number 2 of English grammar. Okay, so our chapter is articles. Okay, today we'll discuss about articles. So what are articles? Basically articles are a, and the. Okay, these are articles. So articles are used before nouns. Okay, articles are used before noun. And these are also called as adjectives. Articles are also called adjectives. Okay. Now, in modern English grammar, we call them determiners. Okay. In modern English grammar, these are also called as determiners. Understood? Now, articles are of two types. That is indefinite article and definite article. Okay. So, indefinite articles are a and n. Okay. Now, definite article is the. Okay. Now, what are indefinite articles? So, indefinite articles are a or n. Okay. And definite article is the. So, indefinite articles a or n are used to make the position of noun indefinite or to make the position of noun uncertain. Okay, indefinite articles a or n are used to make the position of noun as uncertain. Understood? For example, he saw an old man. Okay. Now second, there was a king. Example 3, a dog was barking. A dog was barking at night. Okay. Now definite articles. Let's come to definite articles. So definite article is the. So definite article the is used to make the position of noun definite or certain. Definite article the is used to make the position of noun definite or certain. Okay. For example, the horse in which I live. The house in which I live is new. The house in which I live is new. Second example, this is the pen which I have brought. Okay. Third, the gold of Nepal is cheap. Understood? Now students, we use the articles a and n before singular countable nouns or noun phrases when no particular object is being talked about, like a fruit stall, a bright day, a vegetable shop, an ordinary day. Understood? Now, we use the article a before single countable noun or single countable noun or noun phrase. Noun phrases like beginning with consonant sounds. We use the article a before single countable nouns beginning with consonant sounds like a mango, a sunny day. Okay. Now, we use the article n before singular countable nouns or noun phrases beginning with vowel sounds. Okay, like an ordinary day, an examination. Okay. Now, we use the definite article the with singular and plural nouns when something is mentioned a second time, like the tomatoes, the vegetable shop. Okay. Now, we also use the with singular or plural nouns when it is clear to the listener or reader what is being talked about, like the stranger, okay, the bag, the shopkeeper. Okay. Now, we use the when starting facts which are universal truths. Universal truths like the sun rises in the east. The earth revolves around the sun. These are the universal truths. So we use there the. Okay. Students, we have completed our chapter. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Thank you.